Good morning, year two. How are you? Happy Tuesday. It is the second day of our third week of distance learning. Okay, so let's keep up the motivation and the great effort that you're making at home. Today is Tuesday, and if yesterday was the 6th, today is the 7th of April of the year 2020. For our short date, that means that we have 7th day of the 4th month of the year 2020. Today for math, we're going to be looking at addition word problems, okay? Remember, the word problems are going to be telling you a bit of a little story so that you can figure out the answer, okay? So here we go. Remember that when we have addition word problems, we need to be looking for those key addition words, okay? We have words like add. So if I say add 2 and 2, it means 2 plus 2. If I say plus, there you go. If I say 2 plus 2, means add. More. I have 5 cookies. I get 5 more. I'm adding. In all, okay? In all means that I'm also looking at a total, which is going to be one of our words as well, all together and total. All of these words, if you see these words in a word problem, we're going to be talking about adding, okay? It's always addition. Addition is adding, the plus, okay? More, in all together, the total, okay? So here we have, guess who this is? This is going to be Lola, and she's going to help us practice, okay? So Lola has 341 stickers. She buys 442 more at the store. How many does she have in all? Okay, so this is a word problem. It has words because it's telling you a story with numbers, okay? So what you need to do is we need to look at the different numbers and the steps. So let's practice with this. Lola has 341 stickers. You're going to write 341 on your piece of paper. She buys 442 more at the store. So you're going to write 442. How many does she have in all? Because it says more and it says in all, we are going to know that this is plus. We're adding them together, okay? So then we know that it's going to be 341 plus 442. Remember that we are going to look at the place value in order to make it easier for us, okay? So you're going to do the units first. 1 plus 2 is 3. You do the tens. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then you do the hundreds. 3 plus 4 is 7, okay? And that is how you find the answer. Step by step, looking at the numbers and looking at those keywords. Does it mean adding? Okay, well done. Let's do another one for practice. Here we go. Now, there are 433 boys playing at the park. There are 216 girls playing at the park. That's a lot of kids. How many kids are playing at the park? Okay, so here what we need to look at is the first number, the second number, and then we need to say how many kids are actually playing at the park. If they're both at the park, then they have to be together, okay? So here we go. There are 433 boys playing at the park. You're going to write 443. There are 216 girls playing at the park. You write 216, but you are going to write it directly under the place value, okay? Once you do that, it's how many kids are playing at the park all together, okay? and we have our plus, okay? With that, we know that we can go ahead and plus these numbers together. To make it easier, remember to use the place value, okay? If we go ahead, I'm gonna move here, okay? Woo, there goes Miss Catalina. Okay, if we go ahead and do the units, 3 plus 6 equals 9. The tens, 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then we do the hundreds, 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, well done. So that's what you are going to be doing today, except it's going to be a little bit different. You are going to have to go ahead and listen to the rest of the video for your task, okay? So you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and your ears, good listening ears, okay? Because you are going to listen carefully to the next word problems that I'm going to tell you. You're going to stop the video for time to finish the problem, and you are going to check your work, okay? And then you are going to take a picture for Dojo, okay? Well done. Here we go. Question number 1. Kate caught 561 frogs at the pond. Joshua caught 116 frogs. How many frogs did the boys catch in all? Okay, that is your question. Take some time to solve the problem, and I will move on, okay? Question number 2. Chris made 2 towers of blocks. His red tower had 543 blocks. His blue tower had 324 blocks. How many blocks did he use in all? Okay, again, stop the video to solve the problem. Number 3, there are 375 red apples at the store. There are 611 green apples at the store. How many apples are there in all? Stop the video to solve the problem. Number 4, Brian has 622 jelly beans. His friend has 355 jelly beans. How many jelly beans do they have all together? Take some time to solve the problem. Number 5, Carolina made 521 cookies. Vika made 128 more cookies. How many cookies did they make? Stop the video to solve a problem. Remember to just take your time with them, okay? And to take a picture and upload it to Dojo for me. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later. If you need any help, please let me know.